Hello, welcome to Build Environment Pro, your construction learning hub. And I'm your host, Cadmo, and I will be guiding you through construction basic to pro tips. This construction channel is mainly for construction students and Built Environment Pro seeking career growth. So, with Built Environment Pro, our video guides covers residential construction, commercial construction methods, industrial techniques, material science, and effective management. Subscribe for more regular videos including detailed tutorials, step-by-step guides, and industrial tips and news. So, at Built Environment Pro, construction learning is easy and accessible. So subscribe, hit the bell, and let's build our construction knowledge together. Thank you.